let's get this video started. Pim. Take 5. Why am I so nervous? It's just me and the camera. Oh my god, okay. Let's get this video started. Let's go. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maphumulo. Thank you so much for all your love, for all your support. I just wanna, oh my god, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless, okay? I feel so loved, you know. One of my videos on how to gain weight in the right places has over 28,000 views. I don't even know what to say because I just recently started my YouTube channel, and so I'm just so excited. So with those views came a lot of questions as well, and I decided to do this part 2 so I can answer all your questions. And also, if you haven't seen the video, what I'm going to do is I'll put it on the description box down below. Right, let's get things started. And anyways, it's so cold. It's cold. And this is my first winter staying in Johannesburg. It's freezing. Like, I'm dying out of. Sometimes I feel like I want to go back home to Durban, you know. But, you know, okay. So the first question I got was, if I stop drinking it, what will happen to my body? Well, nothing is gonna happen to your body. As soon as you reach your body goal, you can stop using it. But then I would prefer you actually maybe drink it once a week, you know, if you don't want to get bigger than what you've achieved. So you can just have it once a week. If I start getting belly fat, okay, here's the thing. This is gaining weight in a healthy way. It's totally different from, let's say you were eating a burger to actually gain weight and stuff like that. Then you would expect to gain some belly fat. But because you're having a healthy shake, you know, it's a healthy protein shake, there's no way you're gonna get belly fat. But if you do, so this is what I do every morning before I do anything. What I do is I drink my lemon and ginger tea, right? On an empty stomach, I drink lemon and ginger tea every morning, every day. All right. So that's before I work out. I take my lemon and ginger tea, and then after that, I work out. And then after working out, I have my protein shake. So that's just how I do it. And also, remember, I will put the video somewhere on the screen so you can go check it out, how I make my lemon and ginger tea, and so that you can have that small waist while you're gaining weight in all the right places, honey. Yes. So yeah, you can check that out. Another question was, can I use it every day for dinner or breakfast? Yes, you can use it every day, definitely, for breakfast. Yeah. And also for dinner, if you like, you can, but I've never done that. And yeah, it just depends, I guess, on when you would like to drink it, because others drink it during the afternoon. And yeah. So another question was, um would you take it once a day? Definitely, you don't want to be drinking this like 3 times a day. Like, no, Just once a day is enough. Trust me. Too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. Sure, you know about that. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna answer all these questions, but I did, God knows I did, on the comments, on the DMs, on the emails. I did my best to answer everyone, and to the people that I couldn't get to, I decided to do this video. But again, if you still have more questions, you can talk to me, you can send me a comment, you can just reach out and I will help you out. Okay, but then again, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not, but I'm just, this is all based on my experience. All right, okay, good. And then somebody said, what can you replace with if you are allergic? I'm guessing that Michelle will say honey. Please be more specific next time. But I'm just guessing that you are saying if you are allergic to milk, if you are allergic to dairy products. I'm guessing that's what you're saying. So what you can do is you can use water. You don't have to use milk. That's the thing. You don't have to use milk if you are allergic to dairy products. You can use water. You can use peanuts or peanut butter or almond nuts, and then you can use your avocado, and then you can just do it that way. It's easy and you get the same results. If you are allergic to, what else can you be allergic to? If you're allergic to avocados, I guess you can just use milk, use your egg, use peanut butter, and use your banana. It's as simple as that. Okay, I hope I actually answered your question, because you are not specific in terms of what type of workouts do you do? Workouts 5 times to 6 times a week. On Mondays, I do cardio. Tuesdays, I do my stomach and my upper body. On Wednesdays, I normally do glutes. And then on Thursdays, I do my legs. And then on Fridays, I do a full body workouts. And then I go again on a Saturday. I do cardio, about like 1 hour of jogging, because I know where I want to go. So with me drinking this protein shake, it helps build muscle for me, so that while I'm losing the weight, I can gain it back in a way that I want it to look, in a shape that I want, you feel me? I hope that I answered your question. And then I think this will have to be the last one, because I don't want to make this video too long, how long must I drink the protein shake to start seeing the results? Well, you have to drink it every day, but trust me, you will see results in 7 days. In a week, you will be able to see the difference. You will be able to tell that you are gaining that booty, you are gaining those hips. And yeah, so those are all the questions that I was able to answer for today. And if I didn't answer your question, I'll just go ahead and check my DMs again and check my emails again, and then answer your questions as well as on the comments. I hope you guys, this video was helpful, and I am so happy that you guys reached out to me, that you guys were talking to me, that you guys are just supporting me. It means so, so much. I want to ask you guys for one more thing, and that is, help me get to 1K. We are more than halfway. We can do it. And so what I'll do is I'll just keep on giving you great content so that you can go ahead and continue supporting me. Thank you so much once again, and see you on the next one.